Over there we can see Abramovich's yacht. Over there. If you go down a bit, you can see some chickens, and then there's a horse in the bush. We've stumbled across a football stadium in Bodrum, and it looks quite nice. Now we're going to try and get in. I saw a guy, and let's go talk to him.
Wow. Thank you. Let's have a look.
Wow, cool. So that's the football pitch. And it's better than Bath City Stadium in England. Oh,
Thank you.
He's telling him to get close to the pitch for our picture. You see, we was a bit. Oh.
Let's go down this way. Look, this is a big window or something they're making here for a boat or a roof. Look, it's a massive stainless steel roof for a boat.
I didn't fancy that there. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. If it was you and Alston, it might be alright, but you know.
Bura. Bura.
What?
Okay.
Phil. What, like this?
Yes. 1 minute, bro. 1 minute, bro. 1 minute.
Is that recording, Wilson? Yeah. Hold it still.
Oh, very good, bro.
What did you just do?
Barked at some dogs.
What were the dogs doing?
Sleeping.
You just barked at some sleeping dogs?
Maybe.
And what happened?
They woke up.
And what happened then?
One started chasing someone out of the shop.
And did they bark at you back?
Yeah.
Were you surprised?
Yeah.
What an idiot.
I just bought a football shirt from a football stadium in Bodrum. That's a shirt.
Turn around.
Smile.
So earlier today, you found a sleeping dog and you barked at it.
Yeah.
Are you going to do the same again? Because look,
No.
there's a dog along here that's asleep.
I've learnt my lesson.
Have you learned your lesson? Why don't we just have a little, like, you know, see if he wants to wake up a bit?
No, he's fine.
He might need to wake up.
No, he's fine.
Are you sure?
He's fine. Yeah, he's
He looks like he could get quite angry.
Yeah. Look at
And
me.
it looks pretty hard.
Yeah.
Why don't you do a bit of barking now?
I'm not going to try because he might kill me.
And hello, my baby.
No.
This baby, yeah. Baby, my baby.
Right, so what have we got here? What have we got here?
Medium skinny bonnets.
Right, so this is
Tommy
Tommy Hilfiger pants. Okay, and this is small size.
No, medium.
Medium.
Hilfiger.
And 5XL fat
5XL Hugo Boss.
Same one, no.
Calvin Klein.
Loose one. You know, like tight. You know, fucking gay. No gay. No fucking no fuck off. What are you there? Different color. Black, grey, blue.
Black, grey, green.
Super.
Okay.
I want skinny.
Right, and what's the special price?
Yeah, you ain't.
Here we go.
I'm no gypsy. Fucking bastard. My name is Peter Andre.
Peter Andre.
Andre.
Oh, yeah. I like Peter Andre.
I love you, Barbara.
Yeah. Barbara.
We like to go both.
There we go. He's already put it in the bag. We haven't got a price yet.
Daddy, that's good price.
Did you get some socks, Wilson?
Yeah.
Do I have socks?
Color which? Black.
Black, yeah. Are they the
You
right
like short one? This long.
long, like this?
We've
Yeah,
got
same.
9 pairs of pants, 2 pairs of socks,
And all together.
So 9
10 socks and 9 pants.
9 pants, 10 socks.
Aye.
What price?
You get the freak. How many pallets?
That's a-
That's skinny girl. 35 socks. Only 150 lira. Money.
150 Turkish lira.
No, fucking 8 lira. Pallets, you. Turkish money.
Turkish money. Turkish money.
Normal.
You were?
200. Normal price. No normal. Fuck off. You know,
Me.
no.
Divided by 22. Right, 38 quid. That's too much.
Yeah, it was too much.
Put some
Yeah.
stuff back. Come on.
Come on, Bob.
That's it. Bag's too full.
Okay, no.
Okay, so
Flo doesn't want the socks, but also like the
Fucking
socks.
socks, one skinny bollocks.
right, one skinny bullocks.
You know Calvin? You like boss?
Is it so?
Calvin.
The Calvin.
Both.
So this is good size, is it?
5XL.
That's 5XL. Same, right? So get rid of those.
No, hey, you fuck off bollocks. No rock you. Max, chicken bastard.
Okay, right. Look,
No rock you.
good price to begin with. 550.
Yeah, all.
25 quid.
No, 22 quid. This cheap.
22 quid. Let's have a look.
6 bucks. You fucking rock me. 10 bucks. 3, 6.
That's not 10. That's 6. That's not 10.
Fucking bastard.
What the hell?
No problem. 10.
Right, 20 quid.
Yeah,
You're
sorry.
looking at 20 quid. 20 quid.
No problem. You
Right,
English.
you go in.
No like Germany. Fucking
Cash, not Russians.
no fucking Russian.
Right,
I'm
ready?
not like
20 quid times 22.
520 lira. No, fuck off. 550 lira.
5.
You ask the gypsy.
Yeah.
No, not gypsy. I am gypsy. My name is Billy Bullshit.
Billy Bullshit. Yeah.
Fucking bastard Billy Bullshit. You first time Turkey?
No, second.
Second time.
I'm from Barnsley.
From Barnsley.
Fucking
There
Barnsley.
you go, there's 5 pounds.
Thank you, Bollocks.
Okay.
Have a nice day.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
Okay, I got pants now. I can
No.
walk around my right now.
Yo, you try on jiggy jiggy.
Not too tight.
No fucking gay.
Oh my god. We're done now. We're done.